Hey guys, we're going to do something different this video. We're going to show you what we eat during the week, just a few of our meals that we do and some of the things we eat on the road.
We're going to kickstart this video with our favourite mango and banana breakfast smoothie.
And the reason why Chelsea's so tall at the moment, let's get she's up on the stool, makes it better to get the right shot. So in these ones we just have frozen mango, frozen banana, but you got to make sure they're really ripe or else they taste a bit starchy. Just some Greek yogurt and top it off with a bit of water. Depending on what's around, frozen pineapple is really good, and anything else you want to chuck in it. Now be careful, our NutriBullet's on the way out we think, because it makes a rotten noise, so we have to do it outside or else it just like rattles the whole caravan. So watch out.
We like it nice and thick, so. You have to be careful with these straws because sometimes you accidentally just about put it up your nose. Well, I do anyway, so. So we were making coffees here this morning in Hervey Bay. So we have already kind of eaten. We had an iced latte each. Bryce added some chocolate powder to his. I made it an iced mocha. I have mine with soy milk or almond milk, and Bryce has half soy and half light. So that usually fills us up for a couple of hours until about 10 o'clock when we're done with our coffees, and then we get started with the smoothie. Alrighty, so lunchtime today is sushi. We've got a heap of sushi rice that we cooked up yesterday and popped in the fridge overnight. How many rolls do you reckon it's going to make?
Maybe 7 or 8.
Yes.
This time I wish I had one of them sushi printers that you see in the sushi trains. Just because it makes chucking this rice out a bit easier.
So our favourite thing to pop in the sushi is salmon, cucumber and avocado. And this is what we'll have for lunch for the next couple of days.
Do you reckon these will roll nicely, or have you overloaded them, babe?
No, they'll be right. But it's not my job to do the rolling, it's Bryce's, so
yeah,
not really my problem.
That's true.
They are going to be beautiful.
Absolutely. So we were going to head down the beach and have our sushi, but there's a big weather front coming through, and we're going to get a little bit wet. Probably didn't grab the best piece to try, but
I think it's more user error.
Probably.
Is it good?
No, it's rubbish. You won't like it. I better have it.
No way, it's mine. Oh, it's really rainy and gross now. So much for our picnic on the beach today.
Yeah, beach sushi. It looked really good for the video.
We had good intentions, but it's always the way we jinxed it.
So what's your favourite, avocado or cucumber? Just a little snack update. We've left Hervey Bay this morning and we're on our way to Rainbow Beach. So we're tucking in onto some pretzels and some salt and vinegar peanuts. So just to tide us over until we get there and have some lunch, because we did coffee this morning and we're probably a bit slow packing up, so we didn't really have time to eat. And yeah, so have a little snack on the road.
For a while there we were addicted to shapes, but we thought that probably wasn't a very healthy snack to be having like most days. So we've changed to nuts, pretzels, popcorn, just trying to make our snack still delicious but a little bit healthier.
Another good one is also Nutri-Grain.
That's not even healthy, that's so much sugar in it.
That tastes good.
But it is a good car snack, yeah.
So tonight's dinner is lamb chops. I think they're like a Greek style lamb chop, and we got beef, jalapeno and cheese patties. They looked really good in the butchers when we went in there earlier, so should be really good. And Chelsea's in here making a bit of a salad. She's got that all under control. Bit of a Greek salad. I don't know what she puts in it, but it tastes Greek, so it's pretty good.
Alright, dinner's pretty much done on the barbecue, and in true fashion we've cooked way too much food.
Oh damn.
Eyes are bigger than our belly. But that's alright, leftovers for tomorrow. Yum, this looks so good.
Yep. Chelsea's forcing me to have some salads.
Oh no, you poor thing.
Healthy.
Yeah, you need some salad.
Nah, I don't reckon.
I'm making a bit of a guacamole up for our lunch today. We have got some really nice ripe avocados at the moment, and avocados are super cheap up here in Queensland, so what better way to use them up than make a big guac. We've also got these corn chips from Coles. They're meant to be pretty good for you compared to like Doritos or something, and then we've got this salsa as well. Not quite dinner tonight, but I've got a little brim or something, I reckon.
Finally catching something on this side. Yay, woo. Only been out here probably 20 minutes and yeah.
That's alright, something a little bit bigger and then we'll have dinner tonight.
That's right. We got the drone up, so once I'm done with this, I'm going to have a crack as well.
Catch the big one.
That's it.
So this is my guacamole. I put tomato, onion, garlic in it as well, then some seasonings, chili flakes. Yeah, and it's delicious.
Nice little show and tell you've just done there, babe.
Show and tell. Well, people will be interested.
Like being at school. Hey guys, this is my lunch. Wow, it looks really good. Can't wait. Chelsea's got some dinner cooking up. She's been in here prepping some satay meatballs. So she always grabs those Coles booklets or Woolworths booklets at the register on the checkout and forever dragging them home, and this is probably the best recipe that she's got out of one of them ever.
And it's really easy. We always carry mince in the fridge or freezer, and then it's just got like peanut butter, soy sauce, a few Asian spices, and yeah, pretty much like everything that we carry in our cupboard is in this dish. So
yeah, it's really good too. And we normally make extra of the peanut sauce, and then the following night we'll make our own naans and then just have like an easy dinner afterwards.
Yeah, I made more than the recommended for the peanut sauce. And very much to Bryce's disgust, broccoli. So I've cooked the meatballs and popped the sauce in. I just need to let that thicken for a few minutes while the rice is finishing off, and we'll be good to go. I put a little bit of corn flour in here too, just to try and thicken the sauce, because I did put that extra coconut milk and stuff in it just to get it nice and saucy. Oh no, I spilt it.
They are some stomper meatballs, babe.
I thought I did them the normal size.
Nah.
Yeah, I guess they are a bit bigger tonight. This is mother's milk.
How good does this look besides the broccoli? But they're actually some pretty stomper meatballs for what you normally do.
Oh, I thought I always done this size.
Oh.
Here you go. So we did pork meatballs this time, but you can do pretty much whatever you got. Well, dinner must have been pretty good. And we've even got leftovers for tomorrow. We don't always make fancy lunches on the road like sushi. Today I've got a chip roll. So some nice fresh rolls from the bakery and some salt and vinegar chips, bit of butter. Delicious. And look at the view. This is our campsite we're at. And because this video is all about food, I thought I'd show you what another one of my favourite things to eat at the moment is. So this is another little snacky food. They're just some mixed nuts. They've got like some peas in there, some little soy crisps and stuff. And yeah, they come in different flavours. I'm sure most of you have probably seen these at like Coles and stuff. Yeah. and they're pretty good price, so easy snack. I just chuck them in the car with us as well. Yeah, love them. Tonight I feel like making a dessert, so got one of these creme brulee packets. You can buy them at Coles or Woolworths. They're only like $2, and it makes 4 servings of creme brulee. You really don't need much to make them, so you just need a packet of this, cream, full cream milk, but I've got light, and then 4 ramekins to put it in after. Super easy. They do some nice other ones as well, like a chocolate mousse. But yeah, tonight we're going to do creme brulee for dessert. This is my very disorganized pantry. We always keep long life whipped cream. They've always got really long expiry dates as well. So this one's like July 2022. But yeah, really good just to keep in the pantry. So that's all you need, really. So once your mixture's warmed up in your saucepan, you just pour them into little ramekins. We've got these Creme muffin trays, which are really good. And it's made 4, so 2 are cooling down there, and I've got 2 in the fridge. So all we need to do now tonight is put a bit of sugar down and then get the gas torch out and make it all crispy. We're going to pop these back in the fridge so they're super cold when we have them, but you could have them straight away, but I think they firm up a little bit more if you pop them in the fridge. I think that should be good. Don't, you'll get me one day.
One day. That was like that time you nearly burned my eyebrow off in Bali with a lighter. That's right. Payback. Oh, really good.
Good?
Yeah, nice and crunchy.
Oh yeah. Herb.
It's a bit angry. It's been about a week and a half since we've been to the shops and done a proper shop, so we've got something a little bit unorthodox for breakfast. We don't normally have much breakfast normally, but we've just sort of found anything we could and chucked it in a couple of wraps and made, would you call them, hot pockets?
Yeah, so ham, cheese, avocado, tomato, and then our the caretakers here gifted us some tomatoes, so they're really good.
Yeah, so good. And it's an awesome view to go with it. And there you have it. That's some of our favourite meals that we cook on the road every week. Hopefully we've given you guys some ideas as to what you guys can cook while you're travelling around.
Let us know in the comments some of your favourite meals, and I'd love to try them. So we're always looking for new recipes on the road. So if you've got anything that you think we might like, yeah, let us know in the comments and I'll check it out.
Thanks again for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.